The stock markets and crypto markets have been in a downward red spiral for the past few months. It's been very ugly, and if you're at that point of illness and you don't want to be staring at this anymore, then this video is for you, because I created an autopilot investing strategy, which is what I've been using for the past 10 years. I get alerts when I should be jumping into particular stocks and crypto picks. And I diversified this list of strong companies that will not go to bankruptcy. They might dip a little bit more, but more importantly, I will get an alert exactly when a particular stock or crypto pick is at the sweetest spot with the highest probability of reversal and profit. So I'm gonna pull up that list in a moment, but we wanna know, are these markets going to recover, or is the days of investing over? Warren Buffett doesn't think so. His 13F came out for Q4 of 2021, and he actually increased his portfolio value from $293 billion to $331 billion. He's been investing for the past 200 years, even though he's 112, and he knows what goes on in these markets, and he's been through the ups and downs more than all of us, because he's old. So the way this autopilot investing list works, I'm gonna pull it up in a second. Pretty much, I created this list, I compiled this list showing me all of the best stocks that I personally like that are strong stocks, and there's an entry price. So let's say Tesla, it hit a high of 1,200, it's down to 800 now. The alert is gonna go off at 750. I will get the alert if I think that this list is good, if these points are accurate, because I base them off of key support areas. So most likely where we are going to return. It's not guaranteed, obviously, but the probability of it happening is higher than just jumping in without knowing these key supports. So once I do get into this entry area, when the alert goes off, I'll know how much potential profit there is from its previous high or its previous point of resistance. And the percentages are massive. Let me pull up the list here. So here's a look at the list. I'm only showing the first top 5 because my members do pay for this list, so it would be unfair if I revealed the whole list. If you want access to the whole list, if you're having trouble finding these winners, if you're getting trapped in losers, you don't know where these sweet spots are, click the link in the description. It will bring you in there. It's not expensive to sign up. You get this list, you get my buy and sell alerts, my portfolio, so many different things. You could chat with me and other members. So much is included, but let's talk about this list. So for example, Apple, its current price is 167. The entry point where I think it's going to reverse is 160. Its previous high was 182. That's a 14% potential profit if we get in at 160 and we ride it to 182. It's that simple. Now let me show you how to enter these alerts into a platform. Now we know TradingView is the #1 platform for technical analysis or just ease of use, user interface, it's user friendly, but they only give you one alert if you have free. If you have pro, you get more. I like Webull. Webull's so simple. So this is what you do. So you simply pull up Apple, you find 160, you right click, you hit create alert at 160, and then you hit save. Done. It's that simple. Give it a second to load, and now we have an alert button right here, 160. That's how quick we could do this. So I could easily pull up my list here. So MSFT key entry point is 283. So I'll find 283, and I'll right click, create alert, 283, done. So now when Microsoft comes down to 283, I'll get a notification via my email or text to my phone or notification, however you want to customize it. And I'll be like, oh, this is from the hot picks list. I like Microsoft out of all the others on the list. This is where I'll enter into it. So it's as simple as that for keying it in. You could use this on any platform. All platforms have alerts. Webull, super simple. As you see, it's literally like 2 clicks. I do recommend Webull. If you don't have Webull, I have the link for that in the description as well. You'll get some free stocks or free crypto. I don't know what they're giving away anymore, but you'll get something for free if you sign up. So that's a quick look at something to do for autopilot investing. You'll get these alerts. You could simply put the order in when it gets to that point, or you could just simply create buy alerts and set it to unlimited or indefinitely, and when it hits that point, it will just simply buy it at that price. So this is a simple trading strategy for autopilot investing. If you're tired of looking at these red markets and you can't stomach it, you can't stare at it anymore, you'll get these alerts. Or if you do want to stare at it, you'll still get these alerts. Now I will be marking these with little squares just like this when they do hit the key entry point, so we know that it was hit and now it's in effect. It will then start to hopefully reverse and head back up to get those profits. This will be updated in my Discord frequently. I'll also update all these data points once a month in my Discord and on my Patreon. So hit the thumb up if you found this video useful and you like these type of strategies during these bear markets. This is the time when we should be strategizing ideas to get ahead. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button because it's going to help you get a little bit closer to retiring young.